All right, good morning, ladies and gents. I hope you guys all had a nice Easter and enjoyed your spring break. To be honest, I got a little bored last week, so I'm kind of happy to be back into it today. So I looked at our next assignment, and we were supposed to be creating bubble plots. And with that, we could plot the different bike data locations, and then we could create circles that will change in size depending on how many bikes cross there or how many pedestrians. So, if it's a small number of pedestrians, it's going to have a small circle. If it's a large number, it has a large circle. Unfortunately, I just spent 2 hours in Google Sheets trying to figure out how to do that, and I could not come up with it. I could get everything to plot, but I couldn't get the bubbles to change size. So I know you can do it in Excel, but I know you guys don't have Excel. So we're going to go ahead and skip that, and we're going to move on to something much simpler, which are bar charts or column charts, depending on how you call them. So I have in front of me a spreadsheet with birth months. What month were these particular people born in? This is just made up data. I made it up this morning, but we're going to go ahead and chart this. So it's really quite simple. I'm going to go up to data and I'm sorry. We're going to insert chart, and it goes ahead and puts in a default chart. It thinks that I want to make a pie chart, which it's not bad information, right? It gives us percentages. But the one we're looking for is what is referred to in my materials as a bar chart, but here it is a column chart. So the only difference is one goes vertical and one goes horizontal. So we're going to go ahead and click column chart, and you can see it went ahead and created the bar chart for us. If there's any adjustments that you want to make, you can make those in here. Here's the data range. They are calculating the birth months. And we're using row 3 as the headers. So that's these ones right here. So the idea with visualizing your data is that it's easier to see information in the form of a chart than it is to just look at a list of information. We're hoping that a pattern will develop and you'll be able to see a pattern. More importantly is what information can we pull out of these charts? So by looking at this chart, I can see that July was the most common birth month with 6 births. Next was August, and then January, March, December, and September were all the same at 4. And it looks like June, April, February, and October were all the same at 1. So the idea is that we're going to be creating these different charts and for you guys to use in analyzing the data. So what are you guys going to be doing today? You're going to be downloading this survey RDA, where it's basically got 4 columns. What grade are they in? The effort that they put into their schoolwork, how much homework is assigned, and their current grades. And you're going to be creating bar charts and analyzing those bar charts to see what information you can pull out of those. So the assignment is inside of Canvas. Once you got it all complete, go ahead and upload through Canvas.